Previously on First Travel and Eats.
Chicken also came. And here's what we ordered. I fell to the symptom of capitalism. I bought a Thai interceptor for $30 at that.
Our heroes ate some great food at Bayside, and Andy even got a Thai interceptor. But now Andy is alone for this trip to Dumbo. The question is, why? Stay tuned in to find out.
This is Andy and Andy alone. Lisa's working, so it's only just gonna be me for today. But we're in Dumbo. And look at that, there's a great view of Manhattan from where I'm at. And we're going to a park, a dog park with a friend it's for a Shiba meetup, I think. But yeah, and there's the Brooklyn and Manhattan Bridge. But yeah, let's go to the dog park. Right, we're at the dog park. What? I'm filming a video, but Lisa's gone. But yeah, I decided to make a video of just me, sadly. Here's Dongo. And here's the Shiba meetup. Are you guys doing anything in particular for this meetup or whatever? Just meeting up. And here's the bigger dog park with everyone else, besides the Shiba.
Keep black and tan.
Oh wow. It looks like there's more and more Shibas showing up. It's already like a full park. Look at that group over there. Oh look, he has a... Why does he have a backpack?
Sometimes it's to weigh them down.
Oh.
So they don't fall crazy.
Like Dongo. Except yours has a collar to control him. More people are coming and more dogs are playing. There's more? Oh yeah, I see them.
It's like...
Oh, there's more coming, definitely. Oh, well, yeah, no, but they're outside. Oh, wait. Here's Dongo again. Wait, what was this place called? Dogside Hill Park?
Hillside Dog Park.
Hillside Dog Park. Yeah, that's where we are right now.
At the Anti-Social Shiba Club.
Why is it called Anti-Social Shiba Club?
Because we're not a social club.
Oh! What's going on there?
That dog took the night out.
Still here at the dog park waiting for... Oh! Looks like Dongo had to go. That's why he was sniffing everywhere. Right, Dongo? Right, Dongo? Alright, the Shibas are unleashed. They're in the bigger dog park side now. There's Dongo. Keeps going behind people. Now the smaller dog park is empty. Looks like they're trying to gather the people, or at least all the dogs, into one photo. Or at least they'll try. I don't think the dogs will listen. Let's get a better shot of the place, or at least all the dogs. Alright, we left the Shiba meetup and we're gonna go get ice cream. And here is the Brooklyn Bridge.
Andy's first time.
Shut up. And then there's the Manhattan Bridge over there. Right, we're at the ice cream place. I got a chocolate for $8. There's the prices. And then here is the place. Brooklyn Ice Cream Factory. It's a nice chill spot. There's a seating area and the Brooklyn Bridge is right there. It's a real nice spot. And then my friend is waiting for the sundae. It's gonna take a bit. I'm gonna eat my ice cream first. Alright, the ice cream was pretty good. It's hard to fuck up the chocolate, so yeah, it's pretty good. Not a bad buy. Maybe a little pricey. Alright, we're going to the Time Out Market to eat. Hopefully there's something good inside. I have no idea how good this place is. Oh. It says no outside food or drink permitted. Okay. He's walking in with a chocolate milkshake. I have no idea what I want. Looks like this is a big food area. Alright, we're eating at Jacob's Pickles, Southern comfort food. It's fried chicken mostly, so that sandwich right there. You have a waffle fries, fried pickles, mac and cheese, so fried Oreos, which is good, and then salad. I ordered the BBQ pepper jack chicken. We'll see how it is. I didn't know you ordered that. Oh yeah. Alright, here's the pepper jack fried chicken. It looks really good. Really big too. $17, that's not too bad. We'll see how it is. I don't get it. Are we just supposed to like eat it whole or separate it?
Fork and knife.
Why would they even make a sandwich then? Not even a sandwich at that point. Just like a... menu.
It's called a sandwich, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Like this.
This place is nice.
What place?
This
Oh yeah. Oh, I think Lisa's gonna be mad. One time, when we were at the mall where we were gonna eat like we wanted to go to malls or where it was like summer style food. I guess like this is like just like that place. She's gonna hate it that I went without her.
Well, who told her to have a weird schedule?
Yeah.
Crab waffle.
What?
Crab waffle.
Oh. Thank you.
Dumbo likes the biscuit.
Alright, that food was great. Gotta check out Pickles for some good ass fried chicken. Alright, I'm going home. We finished eating, and that was the end of the day. Here was a short adventure of just Andy.
Next time on First Travel and Eats, our travelers go back in time to medieval times.
And then here's Lisa with the
Many years
hat.
ago, when I was a kid, I was Team Red when we came here for the school trip.
Well, we're Team Green now.
We're Team, you know what?
Yep.
Will Andy and Lisa's team win in medieval times? Is the food in medieval times as good as the food now? Tune in next week to find out. Also leave a comment on which dog breed is your favorite. And remember to like and subscribe.